how the hell is it going? Rich here, welcome back to the studio. Today I had to make this video. I wanted to do a quick little animation, something to overlay, have over my live videos or any future videos that I might have wanted to make. And I found a stupid simple way to animate. And once I figured this out, I had to share it. I know nothing about animation. I know some basic concepts, but I'm not an animator. I don't know what program to use, how to do it. I've never done it. Never. But let me show you what I learned here. Alright, so I'm working on this thing. It's going to be like a, little how you doing banner for Twitch, studio opening soon. Making a, AFK little banner for when I step away. I'm like, it needs a little bit more. I'll put a coffee mug. And I said, what if I could make the coffee mug move? Maybe make it dance a little. Well, that wouldn't be too hard, right? It couldn't possibly be too hard. Figure if I just take the transform tool, I just rotate it a little bit like that. Hey, that'd be a cute little animation. Right? Well, how do I do that? God, racking my brain. Real easy, okay? Transformed it, shook it one way, saved that as an image, shook it the other way, saved that as an image. Got two images. This is what I was able to do with it. Right? So if you have Photoshop and you have a Mac and you have iMovie or probably any other photo editing software, right? Any other photo editing software. Just going to say, my movie or iMovie because I have a Mac, right? So I got these two images, right? As you can see right here. Looks like it's dancing. Import those two images like I do right up here. And then drop them down over here in your time frame, whatever it is. I'm not a professional. I don't know, right? I just do what I do, and things tend to look all right. So here we go. Just brought it in. Got a little dancing mug. And when you first import it, it's at 4 seconds. Each frame's at 4 seconds. It's ridiculously long. So you just got to shorten that time. This is at like a 0.75 or 0.7 seconds each. Probably be a little faster. That's all I got. Well, here's the cool thing. If you're trying to incorporate this into a YouTube video or a Twitch thing, this is all you need. You probably don't even need to do it this many times. Because here's the thing. Once you got that, you save it as, MP4 or .mov, excuse me, and then you bring it over here into Streamlabs. Let me show you this thing. Be right back soon. You put that animation in there, and there's a setting thing. You set it to loop, right? And it's just going to loop. It's going to go on forever until I transition to the next frame or next scene. So, stupid simple way to quickly animate something. It's not even really, I don't know if you can consider this animation. It's a moving picture. Wait, that is animation. Moving picture. There you go. I'm an animator. I had to share this. And once I figured this out, it got me really interested in figuring out how to animate and do more like this. So, expect some more animation stuff from me. Had to share this, and I thought it was just a cool tip, real interesting. I figured, other people would probably be interested in knowing this too. So, that's it. Let me, there you go. That's what it looks like. Thanks for joining me here, guys. If I figure out anything else, have any other smooth tips, be sure to share it with you guys. I'm not a genius, but if I can do it, you guys can do it. All right.